Why is there a Vatican observatory run by Vatican astronomers in the state of Arizona? Learn why these Vatican astronomers are involved with Project Lucifer, using a special infrared camera attached to the most powerful telescope on Earth that peers into deep space, searching for aliens and UFOs.
Initial instrumentation includes twin blue and red cameras for wide field imaging, as well as nulling interferometry capabilities to spot distant planets, advanced spectroscopy devices, and a near-infrared imager and spectrograph called Lucifer.
The Jesuit order has had observatories of its own in Rome since the 16th century. The Vatican started building its observatories much later. The summer residence of the Pope in Castel Gandolfo, just south of Rome. Inside the two domes perched atop the papal palace are the Vatican's telescopes. The astronomers lodge in a former monastery. Many of the researchers at the Specula Vaticana are Jesuit priests.
I was educated in a boarding school led by Jesuits. 3 years we had to translate parts of the Bible from one language into the other. In the first book of Moses, the Lord descends from the heaven down to earth on a holy mountain, with smoke and fire and loud noise and trembling, and everyone was afraid. That was the moment where I said, this is not God. What are we talking about? My God does not need a vehicle in which to move around, which trembles and makes smoke and loud noise. And it was the Jesuit priest who said, Eric, maybe you should read a book of Enoch.
So I started to investigate this, and I found something very bizarre. I found that most of the telescope and probes that observe the sun are owned by no one else but the Vatican. The Vatican. And I was thinking, well, that is strange. What does the Vatican want with the sun?
Just say that you are Lucifer?
I am Lucifer.
Okay, define Lucifer for me.
Pure, virtuous, wholesome, innocent individual that's out to help people.
Lucifer is?
Yeah.
Say that again. Lucifer is a pure, holy...
Virtuous.
Virtuous. Now, is he the Lucifer that God created?
That's the same one.
Oh, man, this is great. I'm going to put this on the internet.
Oh,
Amen.
God bless you,
Amen.
brother.
Because that's exactly what the Shriners and Masons teach, is that Lucifer is light. Okay, tell me about Jesus. Who is Jesus?
Well, he's my leader.
Is he the Son of God?
Yes, he
is. Is he the only worshipful master?
Yes.
See, this is what a Mason confesses, is that Lucifer is light.
Why do you still do it? Why are you still out here?
Well, it goes back to the destiny thing.
I made a bargain with it, a long time ago, and I'm holding up my end.
What was your bargain?
To get where I am now.
Should I ask who you made the bargain with?
with the chief commander.
On this earth?
And in this earth, and then in the world we can't see.
Concordia amparat et curvat imperia. In huius igitur noctis gratia.
I don't know how I got to write those songs.
What do you mean you don't know how?
Well, those early songs were like almost magically written. Per ministrorum manus de operibus apum, sacrosancta redit ecclesia. Sediam colune uius preconia novimus. There's magic to that, and it's not Siegfried and Roy kind of magic, it's a different kind of a penetrating magic. Motuatitament luminis detrimenta non novi. Aliturem in liquantibus ceris, quasi in substantiam preciose huius lampadis, apis mater reduxit. O vere beata nox, in qua terrenis celestia, humanis divina iunguntur. Oramus ergo te, Domine, ut cereus iste in honorem tui nominis consecratus, ad noctis huius caliginem destruendam, in deficiens perseveret, et in odorem suavitatis acceptus, supernis luminaribus misceatur. Flammas eius, Lucifer matutinus inveniat. Ille inquam Lucifer quinescit occasum, Christus filius tuus, qui regressus ab inferis, humano generis serenus illuxit, et tecum vivit et regnat in saecula saeculorum.
There's an old saying in Tennessee, I know it's in Texas, probably in Tennessee, that says, fool me once. Shame on you. You fool me, we can't get fooled again.